Okay, so scientists like Newton and Leibniz thought about this problem. Find a straight line L which is tangent to a given curve C at some point P. Okay, so how do you define this tangent line? So suppose that our curve C is this, and we choose this point P on that curve. To find the tangent line, what we do is we form lines passing from P and some point Q, which is also on the curve and which is close to P. Okay. So if you look at this line, we can compute its slope, right? Because at this point, the coordinates of this point is x0 and f of x0, and the coordinates of this point is uh, x0 plus h and f x0 plus h. Then how do we define the slope of this? So to define the slope, let's write it here. It is given by the second y coordinate, which is f of x0 plus h, minus the first y coordinate, which is f of x0, right? So it is this point, divided by x0 plus h minus x0. So this is the x coordinate of the second point, and this is the x coordinate of the first point. Now, if we do this cancellation in the denominator, these terms are gone, and we get this relation, okay?